IIG, India's most trusted gems and jewelry education institute. Where passion meets precision, we are shaping the leaders of tomorrow. In 1965, Mr. Kanti Desai founded SRDC, India's first gems and jewelry institute, pioneering scientific diamond education. In 2018, Mr. Rahul Desai rebranded SRDC as the International Institute of Gemology. IIG South, a franchise of the International Institute of Gemology and Education Wing of Laxmi Diamonds, was established on August 15, 2021, to provide quality gems and jewelry education and train industry-ready professionals. We offer in-demand courses in gemology, diamond, and jewelry. Manual jewelry designing. It is the first process in jewelry manufacturing, typically involves designing, where a sketch or concept of the jewelry piece is created. Computer-aided designing. It is crucial in jewelry manufacturing for improving design accuracy and efficiency, enabling precise visualizations before production. We teach industry-demand software Rhinoceros 3D, Matrix Gold, and ZBrush software. Jewelry manufacturing begins with manual designs and computer-aided design models, guiding students through key processes from design visualization to technical execution, ensuring a seamless transition from concept to creation. Jewelry merchandising course equips professionals with essential skills to market products, manage inventory, engage with customers, and drive sales, ensuring success in the competitive jewelry industry. Gemology. This course empowers students with in-depth knowledge of gemstones, focusing on their identification, grading, and valuation. Diamond grading courses provide comprehensive training in evaluating diamonds based on the 4 C's: cut, color, clarity, and carat. They are ideal for personal and professional growth. Our state-of-the-art classrooms are equipped to offer an engaging and practical learning experience. The perfect blend of theory and hands-on training ensures students gain comprehensive knowledge. With advanced tools, interactive teaching methods, and industry-aligned resources, we create an environment that fosters creativity and precision. IIG has been a platform for success for over thousands of graduates, empowering them to excel in their career. We are committed to meet global standards by equipping our students with state-of-the-art facilities, ensuring a world-class learning environment. Each year, we introduce new courses designed to meet the evolving demands of the industry, empowering our students with relevant and up-to-date skills. IIG South has consistently expanded its accolades by winning prestigious national and international awards each year. This remarkable achievement highlights our unwavering commitment to excellence and the expertise embedded in our comprehensive training programs. Each award we've received reflects the hard work of our dedicated faculty, the brilliance of our students, and the trust placed in us by the gems and jewelry community. We are dedicated to delivering comprehensive training, internships, and real-world market exposure through exhibitions and industrial visits. One of the most significant advantages of our industrial visits is the networking opportunities they present. Students get the chance to interact with industry professionals, forging connections that can lead to future collaborations. Many industry leaders and prominent personalities have recognized and appreciated the quality of education our students receive. We organize guest lectures by industry experts to equip students with real-world insights and facilitate valuable networking opportunities within the industry. We also conduct workshops and educative sessions, inspiring students to explore dynamic gems and career opportunities in the jewelry industry. We provide specialized training programs for management and staff in the jewelry retail sector, enhancing their skills to effectively market and sell products while delivering exceptional customer experiences. Students from around the world choose our institute as their gateway to opportunities. Today, IIG South became fastest-growing gems and jewelry institute in India. Build your dream career with IIG South.